Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you guys the recent payment which we received from Google. And as you guys already know that each month, 21st of each month, Google will send out payments to their publishers, and I recently got mine. And this is just one of the accounts I'm working with because I have other accounts. I need to access TeamViewer to show you guys those things. That's the reason I'm just showing you guys this one on my system. So you can see it here. So it's a old account I've been working on for almost a year now. You can see all these mails are from Google. From last year, 17 I've been receiving payment on this account. So you can see it here the last 3 months continuously I've been receiving payments. And last month we made $10,000 with this AdSense account. Let me go to the AdSense account. So you can see it here. So this is the So if you receive payment, you need to click on the payment section, and it will go to this part of the AdSense, and you can see the payments you received. You need to put it on detailed transaction payments and custom range. I just filtered by this year. So you can see it here. On January we received $7,000 and $5,000 and $3,000 and $4,000. So the numbers are really fluctuating because I don't just work with this account. I have other accounts. So we don't just send traffic to this account and get paid monthly. We spread the risk. We have 3 accounts right now, and we spread the investment we made for the traffic. And like some months this account will make 10,000, and the next month the second account will make 10,000. So on average we're making around 25,000 on altogether per month. So the profit margin is pretty good because we're not selling anything. We're not the cost of having a website is very cheap. Like you can have a site for almost like $10-20 per month, which is very cheap. And we don't do customer service. On the expense is very less, so the profit is very good. And you can see it here, the last 2 months we made 17,000 with this account. So on coming months we won't be making that much on this account. We move to the second account, and we make like 15,000 or 20,000 there, and like 3,000 or 4,000 on this account to keep the account safe. It doesn't mean the accounts get banned or something. Like, we just like to season other accounts too. Like this account have a lot of payment history. Like when your AdSense account have a lot of payment history, mostly Google won't ban you, or like, I'm not saying this is something proven or something like that. It like when you have a account with much higher payment histories, you're in safe position than new accounts. So new accounts, like, instantly they get banned for doing something crazy, like they check your content daily. Like the bots will check your content, or else if you're making if you make any small changes to your site which is not coming under the terms and conditions of Google, then they're going to ban you. So like, it won't happen that much, but still keeping the account safe is always my #1 priority. So I like to spread things out. So like, not having all the eggs in one basket is always bad thing to do. So that's why we spread things out. So you can see it here. So the last 2 months we made the 17,500. And I recently started also doing Shopify dropshipping. You can see it here. So this is the one of the store I started working, and we have one more store. We haven't started running ads to that one. So you can see here, on today we made $444 on sales. Let me refresh the screen. So the sales might go up, I'm not sure. So 444 today. We just got 6 orders, and this Shopify store is constantly making us $1,000 a day right now. Like, I recently made a video on how we started making $1,000 a day. If you're someone who's totally new, make sure you watch that video. And so let me refresh this page also. So this is not some fake numbers or some fake inspect elementary. It's easy to make money with AdSense compared to Shopify. That's true, guys. This has always been one of my favorite ways to make money. And pretty much that's it, guys. And if you like these type of videos, make sure you leave a comment and leave a like, because it will help me grow my channel, and I really appreciate that. And thank you, guys. Thanks for watching.